Are you the one who is still manually creating the database regarding your customer details? Then you probably don't know about this automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create Notion database for your Razorpay customers. So now let me firstly show you what I'm talking about by showing you the real-time working of this automation. So here I'm going to make a purchase for this product, that is Midnight Elegance Black Dress, on my Razorpay. So here I'm going to fill all these details. So here you can see that I have provided the full name as test user, email, phone number, the street address and the rest of the details. Now let's make the payment. And here I'm going to select my payment option as net banking, and here I'm going to select this. And here I'm going to make my payment successful. So I have selected this button, and now let's wait to get our payment confirmed. And here it is confirmed successfully. So now you can see that I have successfully made a payment over my Razorpay account. Now let's move on towards my Notion account to check whether we are receiving the database item regarding this particular customer or not. So here I'm on my Notion account and I'm on this base named as all customers, and right here you can see that I'm successfully receiving the same full name of my user, the email and the phone number too. So now here you can see that I'm successfully receiving my customers' data over here. So by using this automation, you can automatically create your database items. And not only these particular applications. By using Pabbly Connect, you can integrate thousands of applications for your business automation, whether it's Google Sheet, WhatsApp, and many more amazing applications. So now you can also automate your entire business task and save up a lot of your time because Pabbly Connect is there for you. So now let's move on towards my workflow page and let me show you how you can create this amazing automation for your business too. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen, you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards my workflow page, where you might see this option of adding the trigger. And now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So triggers are first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new order or new payment over my Razorpay account. So here I will be selecting my trigger application as Razorpay. So I'm going to search for it, and right here we are getting this application. Now let's select the app event as payment captured. Now let's click over this connect button, and now we are getting this webhook URL which will help us to build the connection between Razorpay and Pabbly Connect for getting the payment data. So now let's copy it, and now let's move on towards my Razorpay account with me. So right here I'm on my Razorpay account, where on the sidebar we are getting this option for developers which we have to select, and right here we have to select this option of webhooks. And now here we are going to add a new webhook by simply selecting this button, and here we are getting this page where we have to add the webhook URL which we have just received. And now here I'm going to select my event which will initiate my Razorpay. So here I want to initiate my Razorpay as soon as a payment is captured. So here I have selected this event, that is payment.captured. Now let's create this webhook. And right here you can see that our webhook has been saved successfully. Now here on my Pabbly Connect, you can see the status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, let's do a test submission. So for that, let's move on towards my payment pages, where you can see that where we are getting some of the page URLs. So I'm going to copy this page URL, paste over the new tab, and here we will be getting our payment page. So here I'm going to provide the detail and make the payment. So here I'm going to fill all these details. So here I have provided the name of my customer, smart user, email as smartuser@pabblytunes.com, and the phone number. Now let's click over this pay button. And right here we are on this payment page, where I'm going to just click over this success, and our payment is confirming. Now let's wait it to get confirmed. And here you can see that my payment has been successful. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this data or this payment data over there or not. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 26 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which I have just filled over my Razorpay payment page. So now as we have received the data or my customer, so now I'm going to add this customer details to my database created over the Notion. So for that I'm going to use my action application as Notion, so I'm going to search for it. And right here you can see that we are getting this application. Now let's select the app event as create database item. Now we just have to make the connection by simply selecting this connect button. And right here we are on the connection page, where if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection. And for building a new connection, you just have to click over this add new connection. Now let's connect with Notion. So right here I'm going to select pages. So from here let's select the page. So right here you can see these are some of the selected pages. So I'm going to allow the access, as I'm going to use the all customers page. And right here you can see that my connection has been built in, and here I'm going to keep my database as the same, that is all customers. And now it is asking me to enter the email address, phone number, and the full name of my lead. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this, but no, here I'm going to perform the magic of the Pabbly Connect, and that magic is mapping. Now you might be wondering, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from the response which I'm receiving from Razorpay, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple. You just have to select the field and this slash symbol. And right here we are getting our previous application. So from here I'm going to map the email address, and now let's map the phone number. So here I'm going to map the phone number of my user too, and now let's map the full name of my lead. So from its response I'm going to map the name too. And now we just have to click over this save and send test request. And right here you can see that we are receiving this positive response, which demonstrate that a database item might be created over my Notion account. So now let's move on towards that and check for it. So right here I'm on my Notion account on this database named as all customers, and as I have refreshed this page, you can see that I'm successfully receiving my data, having the customer's name, email address, and the phone number. So now you have seen how easily I have built in this automation, by using which I'm creating the database over my Notion for my Razorpay customers. So now you can also create database for your customers likewise by just using this automation tool. And you have to do it once and it will run forever. So now you don't have to manually create the database again and again and waste your time on these manual tasks, because Pabbly Connect is there for you. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box. So make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.